Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Spotify and signing in. Make sure you're on the account you intend to use. Next, enable the phone or computer's Bluetooth and grant local network permissions if prompted. These let Spotify discover nearby devices. Once done, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or paired via Bluetooth, because Spotify Connect and device linking rely on network visibility. You should now see available devices in the Connect menu. Tap the one you want to start pairing. You'll now dive into selection. Tap devices available or the speaker icon at the bottom of the player. Choose the target device from the list. If it requires confirmation, accept or enter the pairing code shown on the other device. Once connected, make sure to switch the playback device in the UI so audio routes correctly. You can control volume, skip tracks, and edit the queue from your controller. If you want multi-room, repeat for additional speakers that support Spotify Connect. To finish, confirm the app displays the device name and audio is playing through that device. Test with a track at normal volume. If you see lag, dropouts, or no audio, restart the Spotify app and toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on the controller device. This often clears discovery issues. If problems persist, repair the device and sign out, then back into Spotify, and make sure both devices run the latest app version. These steps resolve most connection faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.